Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about the marine microbial communities with a focus on bacteria. Marine bacteria are tiny but powerful organisms that live in every part of the ocean, from surface water to deepest trenches. They are incredibly diverse and plays a crucial role in producing oxygen, recycling nutrients and maintaining the health of marine ecosystem. In fact, without these bacteria, ocean life and even life on Earth could not survive. In this presentation, we will explore their types, roles, importance and applications. Marine bacteria have some unique characteristics that allows them to thrive in vast and challenging ocean environment. They are found everywhere, from the sunlit surface waters to dark, high pressure deep sea and even hydrothermal vents. These bacteria are highly adaptable. They can survive extreme salinity, pressure, temperature and low nutrient levels. They also show a wide variety of metabolisms. Some perform photosynthesis, others decompose organic matter and some uses chemicals like sulfur for energy. The interesting fact is marine bacteria, the most of them cannot be grown in the laboratory. So modern DNA based techniques are used to study them. Many also form symbiotic associations such as bioluminescent vibrio in squids or nitrogen fixing bacteria in marine plants. Marine bacteria are extremely diverse, but they are usually grouped into several major categories. First, we have the cyanobacteria such as Prochlorococcus and Synechococcus, which are photosynthetic and contribute nearly half of the oxygen we breathe. Next are the proteobacteria, which include the important genera like Vibrio, known for both symbiosis and diseases, and Rhoseobacteria, which plays a key role in sulfur cycle. Actinobacteria are also present in the ocean and are famous for producing natural antibiotics and bioactive compounds. The group Bacteroidetes is important for breaking down complex organic matter, especially in the nutrient recycling. Last one is Firmicutes, which are often found in sediments and contribute to decomposition. Together, these groups highlight the huge functional diversity of marine bacteria. Marine bacteria plays a wide range of roles in ocean ecosystem. They are at the very base of the food chain, with photosynthetic cyanobacteria like Prochlorococcus producing nearly half of the Earth's oxygen. They are also central to nutrient cycling. For example, nitrogen-fixing bacteria provide usable nitrogen to marine plants, while others are involved in carbon-sulfur cycles and that influence the global climate. Many bacteria act as decomposers, breaking down dead organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Some form unique symbiotic associations like bioluminescent vibrio in squid or nitrogen-fixing bacteria with seagrass and corals. On the other hand, certain species can also act as pathogens, causing diseases in fish, shellfish, and even humans. Altogether, marine bacteria are essential for the health, productivity, and balance of marine ecosystem. There are several well-known examples of marine bacteria that demonstrate their importance. Prochlorococcus, which is smallest and most abundant photosynthetic organism on Earth, which plays a huge role in global oxygen production. Another cyanobacterium is Synechococcus, is also widespread and contributes significantly to marine primary productivity. Trichodesmium, sometimes called as sea sawdust, is a filamentous cyanobacterium that fixes nitrogen, making it available for other marine life. The genus Vibrio include different species. Some like Vibrio cholera are pathogenic to humans and others like Vibrio fischeri form symbiotic relationship with the squid by producing bioluminescence. Proteobacteria is a versatile bacterium involved in carbon and sulfur cycles, and Altromonas is known for the degrading organic matter, especially after phytoplankton blooms. This example shows the wide diversity and functional importance of marine bacteria in the ocean ecosystem. Studying marine bacteria can be challenging because the majority of them cannot be grown in the laboratory. Traditionally, scientists used microscopy and staining techniques to observe bacterial cells and estimate their numbers, and culture methods to isolate certain species. However, only a small fraction of marine bacteria are culturable. To overcome this, modern molecular techniques are widely used. For example, 16S rRNA gene sequencing helps identifying bacterial species and their diversity. Metagenomics allows us to study the collective genetic materials from the ocean samples, while metatranscriptomics looks at which genes are actively expressed. Advanced tools like flow cytometry can rapidly count and analyze microbial cells. Stable isotope probing is used to trace how bacteria use specific nutrients in their environment. Marine bacteria are not just important for the ocean, but for the entire planet. As primary producers, photosynthetic bacteria like Prochlorococcus contribute nearly half of the Earth's oxygen, making them essential for life on land and sea. They also drive nutrient cycles, especially the carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur cycles. Through processes like carbon sequestration, marine bacteria capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in the ocean, helping reducing greenhouse gases. Some bacteria releases DMS, that is dimethyl sulfide, which influences cloud formation and climate regulation. At the same time, they form the foundation of marine food webs, providing energy and nutrients to larger organisms. On the other hand, certain species can be pathogenic, causing diseases in marine life and even in humans. Overall, marine bacteria are vital players in both ocean ecology and global environment stability. Marine bacteria are a rich source of useful applications for humans. In biotechnology, bacteria from extreme environments like hydrothermal vents produces enzymes that can withstand heat, salt, and pressure, which are valuable for industrial process. In pharmaceuticals, many bacteria produces antibiotics, anti-cancers, and antiviral compounds that are being explored for medicines. Some bacteria can be used in bioenergy, helping to produce biofuels or biogas from the organic matter. They also plays a role in bioremediation, breaking down on oil spills, plastics, and other pollutants in the oceans. In aquaculture, beneficial bacteria are uh, used as a probiotic to maintain the health of fish and shellfish. Finally, marine bacteria contribute to food industry by supporting fermentation and producing important nutrients. This shows that the marine bacteria are not only ecologically important but also extremely valuable for human use. Marine bacteria can act as say primary producers even in extreme environments and expands our understanding of the adaptability and ecological importance of microbial life in the oceans. In conclusion, marine bacteria are incredibly diverse and abundant, forming the foundation of ocean ecosystem. They play a vital role in producing oxygen, recycling nutrients, and supporting food webs. Beyond their ecological importance, marine bacteria are also influence the global climate and provide a rich source of uh, biotechnological, pharmaceutical, and industrial application. Despite their importance, much of the marine bacteria world remains unexplored, which makes it an exciting field for future research and discovery.